Ready to ensure every spare part meets quality standards? This guide will walk you through setting up and completing a quality assurance inspection using the eAuditor app. Let's dive into the process and ensure your parts are up to par. Start by opening eAuditor on your phone or tablet. Navigate to the Template section to begin. Tap on Create Template to start building your checklist. Choose Blank Template to customize your spare parts QA checklist. This sets the foundation for a thorough inspection process. Begin by adding a basic information section to your template. Capture essential details like the part name and number. Log the supplier name for traceability. Document the inspection date for records. Record the inspector's name to complete this section. Check the packaging for a proper seal and no damage. Ensure labels are clear and correct. Inspect the part for visible damage or defects. Confirm the part is clean and rust-free. Verify the size and shape match the specifications. Confirm the quantity matches the order or delivery note. Ensure a delivery note and quality certificate are present. Add photos in eAuditor for visual records. Write notes for any issues and collect the inspector's signature. This completes the documentation process. Open your template in eAuditor when parts arrive. Check each item and record the results meticulously. Tap Complete Inspection once all checks are done. Export the report as a PDF and save it as an official record. This ensures that all spare parts meet quality standards. With eAuditor, you now have a comprehensive process for spare parts quality assurance. From setup to inspection completion, every step ensures standards are met. Implement this checklist to maintain quality and reliability in your operations.